Hi, I'm Heidi Brockmeyer with Fertility TV, and these are my tips if you're trying to conceive and you have PCOS. Polycystic ovaries, or PCOS, is the most common cause of ovulatory infertility. But there are things you can do to help and get pregnant. There is hope for you. I've seen many patients, many women come to me, both in my clinic in San Diego and online, who have successfully conceived with PCOS. So there is hope. But here are some really important tips for you. For one thing, as you probably know, digestive health is crucial. Now, if you know that you need to lose weight, even just losing 5 to 10 pounds can make a huge difference. So I would say make sure that you commit to that. And if there is something that you know works for you, then go for it. I don't encourage you to do the yo-yo dieting thing, but if there is a healthy way that has worked for you before in losing the weight, shoot for just 5 to 10 pounds, and that can make a huge difference. Now, generally speaking, it's really important to have protein with every meal when you've been diagnosed with PCOS. You should avoid excessive carbohydrates, especially the simple white carbohydrates like white rice, white bread. Instead, have whole grains, sprouted breads, sprouted grain breads, brown rice, quinoa, those types of grains. And keep that portion small while you make sure that you have healthy proteins, organic proteins like organic meat and so forth. Healthy fats are really great for you. So avocado, salmon, healthy fats are excellent because they reduce inflammation. Make sure you have cooked vegetables. Lots and lots of vegetables are great, but I encourage you to have them cooked rather than uncooked because that can take a toll on your digestive system. Stress management is also really important if you have PCOS. Women with PCOS have a more sensitive nervous system, and this can aggravate the unstable blood sugar levels as well as your propensity for insulin resistance. So managing your stress is really important to managing those blood sugar levels and managing inflammation. So guided meditations, you can get one on my website, you can get them on YouTube, there's lots of resources. Breathing techniques, just taking nice long breaths throughout the day when you're feeling stressed out. There are supplements that are also really helpful when it comes to PCOS. One of them is called inositol. You may have heard of it. There's two forms. There's one that's called myo-inositol and another that is called D-chiro-inositol. Both of these have been shown to help with PCOS, and while a combination of the two can be even more helpful. It's a natural supplement, and it's a form of B vitamins that in a form that those with PCOS can use and has shown to help with blood sugar levels and insulin resistance. B12 is a really important vitamin, especially if you are taking metformin, as metformin can deplete your B vitamin reserve and make it difficult for your body to absorb it. Fish oil, healthy fatty acids, also a really great supplement. And making sure that you have regular exercise. Shoot for exercise every day, 20 to 30 minutes. This will also really help with those stress levels. So you get two benefits with that one. So, it doesn't have to be that you're going to the gym and you're doing some boot camp thing. It can be just a nice brisk walk, 20 to 30 minutes a day. You're going to find that this helps with your mood as well, because oftentimes women diagnosed with PCOS suffer from anxiety and depression as well. It's a great idea to also cleanse the liver, and there are a lot of different cleanses out there. A good supplement is milk thistle. That's a good supplement to cleanse your liver and help protect it as well. Make sure you're avoiding toxins and xenoestrogens that can be found in foods and plastics. So you want to eat organic. You don't want to drink water out of a plastic bottle. And I would suggest that you use organic, non-bleached tampons and maxi pads. It's better to use pads than tampons, but sometimes you have to use a tampon. Vitamin D is also a really great supplement. So you might want to have your vitamin D levels checked by your doctor, but if not, then I would suggest taking about 1,000 to 2,000 milligrams a day of vitamin D. So these are some starter tips. Of course, Chinese medicine is wonderful for helping with PCOS. Chinese herbs, acupuncture, and acupressure. I teach acupressure in my online program, Total Fertility Wellness. And also, I have an introductory self-acupressure video. You can get that free on the link on this video. And that video will help to teach you how to use self-acupressure, which will increase circulation to your reproductive organs and also help to balance your hormones and reduce stress. So feel free to sign up for that. And please leave any comments in this video. And feel free to ask questions.